Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to double your wefts using a Singer traditional sewing machine. I'm starting off with a 12-inch bundle. I do have videos showing you how to set up your machine. Okay, now you want to unravel your bundle. And make sure you take your time while unraveling the bundle. So once you unravel it, we will be starting off with the side that has 2 tracks. So I'm going to show you the placement of the tracks. You do not want to have it on top of each other like this. No, you're going to bring it down like this. Again, not like this on top of each other. You want to bring it down because you don't want it to be bulky. And I'm going to show you one more time. Not like this on top of each other. Bring it down because you don't want it to be bulky. You want to have a flat foundation when sewing it on the cap. So now you want to grab a small piece of hair, just a small strand, and place the 2 tracks under the presser foot. You want to make sure you see both tracks under the presser foot in that open space there. And now you're going to put your foot on the foot pedal, and you want to go for about 1 inch or 1.5 inches. And then you want to back stitch. That will lock in the stitch. And there is a lever to back stitch. And you're just going to put your foot back on the foot pedal and go forward and back stitch again. You want to back stitch at least 2 to 3 times to lock in that stitch. And I'm going to back stitch one more time. And now I'm just going to go forward. So now you're just going to keep your foot on the foot pedal until you get to the opposite side of the track. And once you get to the opposite side, you're just going to cut that end piece to have 2 tracks and to make sure that it's flat. And you're just going to continue to stitch and make sure you back stitch 2 to 3 times. And this is how your track should look. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.